Oh no, you broke your line again? And the bump feeder is jammed so you'll wind and wind. What a waste of time. But not anymore. Introducing the Pivot Trim, the first trimmer head that keeps your line from breaking, saving you time and money. Just watch. Even banging it on pavers, edging around driveways, and smashing into walls won't break the line. Nothing stops the Pivot Trim. Look, it's even strong enough to cut right through plywood without breaking a single line. Watch again. The Pivot Trim cuts right through plywood like butter, and there's no broken line. The secret is the patented pivot action that protects trimmer line. So instead of bending and breaking, the pivoting action saves your line for the easiest trimming ever. The Pivot Trim has 8 high-powered pivoting trimmer lines that are so powerful no other trimmer head can compete. Look at this. We inflicted repeated abuse on this chain link fence over and over, and the lines are still intact. Amazing! The Pivot Trim is available here and comes complete with a universal installation kit and 8 pre-cut trimmer lines. Plus, it's 100% guaranteed. If for any reason you're not satisfied, send it back, no questions asked. It works on any gas trimmer, uses standard trimmer line, and loads in seconds without tools, winding, or aggravation. No other trimmer head saves your trimmer line like the Pivot Trim. Not even sheet metal can break the lines. The Pivot Trim is so remarkable, we cleared this entire field, then edged this whole sidewalk, and finally trimmed this mammoth chain link fence, all with the same line. Nothing can stop the Pivot Trim. Don't wait. Pick up a Pivot Trim right now and cut your trimming down to size in no time.